we are excited to announce the brand new BlueVenom XF210, a 6-in-1 multi-process welder with PFC that does it all. This one machine covers MIG, single and double pulse, AC TIG, DC TIG, cold weld TIG, AC plus DC alternating TIG and stick, giving you the flexibility to move from mild steel fabrication to precision aluminium TIG without the hassle. With 210 amps of power, a 15 amp single phase input, the 210 6-in-1 delivers strong, stable performance anywhere. And with power factor correction, you get better efficiency and consistent output, even when running longer extension leads. For TIG welders, you've got 11 advanced AC arc waveforms to choose from. You can then fine-tune your bead profile, penetration, and cleaning action based on your selection. Additionally, you also have the ability to adjust all settings manually and take full control in manual mode. AC plus DC alternating TIG gives you the best of both worlds, penetration and cleaning in one arc, whilst the added cold weld TIG functionality keeps your heat input low for jobs that require delicate, high precision welds. Or you can rely on smart AUTOSET technology and let it guide you through everything from plate thickness to joint type, so you're set up and welding faster from the get-go. When you need speed and top quality, the single and double pulse MIG modes in this unit deliver precision TIG style results without compromising on productivity. And the advanced pulse stick mode gives cleaner welds with less spatter, making it ideal for positional work as well. Add 60 memory slots, a 5-inch full color LCD and a complete out of the box package, and you've got a serious machine ready to tackle whatever you throw at it. This is the BlueVenom XF210-6, available right now at your nearest CIGWELD ESAB distributor.